Oh, yes.
It's like a bit of avalanche from Pleasure Beach.
Oh, yes. Love a bit of avalanche.
Maze is crushing me.
Yeah, I'm crushing him. So it's a very nice lift hill, so if we just pop the kettle on while going up here.
This is a long lift hill. Through and a half.
Anyway.
Oh, it's quite high up here.
Yeah.
Almost on top of that.
Yeah. Right, here we go. It's a lovely view. Yeah. Quickly show you around over there. Lovely. Right, here we go.
Here we go.
Woo! Alright. Here we go. Got some proper speed up round these corners.
She feels like we're going to fly off.
Yeah. Helix. There we go.
That one.
Yeah, got some good long rides here. That's it. Back to the station.